In this video I will be showing you how to create and manage your reminders. First, go to Reminders on the left. Here is where you can see all the reminders that are due to send and already sent. You have two types of reminders that can be sent: MOT and Vehicle Health Check. MOT reminders will be automatically created when a customer's MOT is due within a month. However, you must create your own reminders for vehicle health checks. A pop-up will appear once you have completed a health check asking you to create a reminder. The date is automatically set for 3 months later, but this can be changed dependent on the outcome of the health check. To view just the MOT reminders or just the vehicle health check reminders, you can use the drop-down box here and select the type you wish to view. To view the reminder info, click the View Info button. The info includes the vehicle and customer info, and the job sheet it's related to. To view the reminder details, click the Details button. This shows what reminder has been sent and the email and/or text message that was sent to the customer. If an email or text wasn't sent, it will inform you here and the reason why. To set up your reminder settings, click here. You first have the option to send the reminders automatically or do it manually. If you choose automatic, you can then schedule a time the reminders will be sent. You then have 5 different notification settings. The default is set to send the reminder via text, but if no phone number is available, it will then send an email. Then the other 4 options are: send an email, and if no email is provided it will then send a text, send both an email and text, text only and email only. If you choose to send the reminders manually, you will need to tick the boxes on the left on the reminders you want to send. Then choose Send Reminders. To send them, click the Process Reminders button. If you choose to send them automatically, then they will send on their own at the time specified in the settings. If you do not want to send the reminder, click the tick box, and then click Mark as Done. Then, click the Process Reminders button. This will clear the reminder from your list and prevent the reminder from being sent. You can still view ignored reminders by ticking the Include Ignored button.